I wanted to provide a quick update because we've got a new uploader. So when a pilot goes to upload the photographs, they'll click on the button. What they'll see at the moment is the old uploader. Now, here you can see I'm using this operation as an example, and the pilot has already uploaded the images. In the top right, we have new uploader. One thing to note is that you won't be able to put comments in the uploader now, but we don't really need this information for processing anyway. If it's for the geoids, then that should be placed when the operation is created anyway, and not in this comment box here. So the pilot will click New Uploader. Here is some information on what the new uploader includes. You can pause it if you want to read this. And it's much simpler now. There's the second block, as I say, because the pilot's already uploaded the images. But if the pilot goes to the location on their hard drive where the images are stored, now previously you would select all the images and then upload them like this. With the new uploader, you can either select all the images individually or just select the folder. And if there was multiple folders in here, you could just select all the folders and then drag and drop. You need to wait for it to read the images. So the more you have, the longer that will take. It's automatically detected it was the Mavic 3 wide, and it's green here, and you can see the pre-checks have been completed. The important thing with this is that if you go view checks, this is just general information that the file types are valid, so it's a JPEG, that we haven't got any corrupted images, and it's identified that that was the sensor. For the RGB, the important bit is the photo accuracy, because now the pilot, if there's any images that are not RTK high accuracy, the pilot will see them on this and there'll be an exclamation mark on this RGB. So it's now for the pilot to review what images have the RTK accuracy and not. So green means that they've been flown with high accuracy, and here you can see that the RTK is 50 and there's an accuracy description there, so you can see that's RTK with NTRIP information, so that's high accuracy. If they've flown it with a base station, their own base station, it will probably be a blue dot, which would indicate RTK but with no NTRIP information. And then orange would be kind of medium accuracy, and then red would be no accuracy at all. So now the pilot can review the information on this screen. They close this, and then they click Validate and Upload. And now the new uploader gives them a percentage upload and the estimated time remaining. If the pilot wants to cancel this and change the upload for some reason, they can just click cancel like that. I hope that's clear. Any questions, please let me know.